아니 제가 좀 산정나서 갔다더니 와서 신이다 방송에 왔다. 신이다 방송에 조지더니 조가서다. 그래서 신이 양다 봐서 그래. 신이 양다 봐서. 그러니까 선한테 신이 그 안에 방송 제설와 아니 방송 그 안에 신이 되냐면 여기서 드니가 신이다 방송이가 송던들와 송저 그분이냐면 제당도서 청와대 10자지 까지 그랬어.
So while teaching on the text resting in meditative concentration, this will emphasize the two topics of the two kinds of meditation, calm abiding meditation or samatha meditation and vipassana or insight meditation. And so when we talk about calm abiding meditation, we will be talking about authentic calm abiding or correct calm abiding. And then of course, after one practices authentic calm abiding meditation, then after that comes vipassana or insight meditation. However, what we will be discussing is the union of these two aspects of meditation, the union of calm abiding and the union of insight meditation. So this is what will come up in the course of those teachings. Say nyamdu jeba.
Nyamdu jeba. 여기 되게 제당도서 제당도니다. 독전년은 제가 제가 전부터 그랬어요.
So when we're talking about about how to meditate from the point of view of Dzogchen practice, then we need to talk about meditative equipoise, the state in meditation, and the post-meditative state, the state of post-attainment. And for Dzogchen practice, it's really important to have these two aspects in union, indivisible. So meditative equipoise in the post-meditative state without any kind of separation at all, actually bringing them together, blending them together as one. And this is really important for Dzogchen practice.
마영바데 유나 근데 다위경이 씨는 거 마영바와 마제바 근데 만틀바 숨쉬게요 근데 유나 근데 레로요 말했어 니 남박가를 신나고 리피게 짜종 또비게 짜종 짜종스나 무슨 짜종아 짜종 착각했어 가만히 없는 착각이 열렸어.
So when we're talking about practicing these, it's really important to be free from any kind of sloth or laziness. And so usually I talk about these three different aspects, right? And the first aspect is non-distraction. And when we talk about non-distraction, we mean not being distracted from the view. And so actually when we say non-distraction, in a state of non-distraction, there's no laziness there, there's no sloth there. And so on top of that, of course, there are the other two aspects. There's non-forgetfulness and there's non-delusion or non-confusion. And so if we have a practice that's endowed with all of these three, then it will be an exercise in Rigpa, an exercise in pure awareness. That will become practice itself.
Yeah. Today, ni dang ro so nawa tamji. Nawa 정말 jimmi gi choba ta. Jima sena amoson, jima. Jima ta wo de langdor ni me ge. Den zhe ge choba. Langdor ni sim me ba. Jima ta ta den zhe ge tawa ge 똑바데 따윙은 마용아 지고 되어서 좁아대라요. 신바요 말씀. 신진 매바. 신진 매바 지미 좁아다. 그래서 지미 좁아서 나서 된다고 너들 이메라 좁아다 되더니 연구를 했어요.
냠는 기캡스.
냠는 거다. 냠지 이메라 써야 될 양배로. 냠지 이메라 써야 어디 타서더니 따윙은 마용바데. 된데 딱 보여야 되겠습니다. 된데 나다 레도 연구입니다. 근데 레도 마용 손에나 가르쳤더니 나와 가래나 되는 나와 가르치시나 되라 신바메바 되는 전바메바 이 지미가 좁았다고 생각해요. 되나 Jimmy Joba, London Images, Jimmy Joba, London Nismeba, Jubi Joba, the New Congress.
So then when we talk about practice, we should practice or accord ourselves taking all that appears, all appearances, to be illusion-like, to understand their illusory nature, and to practice in a non-dual manner without having anything to adopt or abandon, to accept or reject. That's how we should approach all appearances. We should be without any kind of clinging or grasping to these appearances and know them to be illusion-like. And if we're able to have that state, then that is what we refer to as non-distraction from the view. And in that state, there's no laziness. So this is why it's very important to practice in a non-dual manner with respect to all appearances, without any kind of clinging or grasping onto them.
Stingin lamda song tabgares, stingin lamda song sena song, stingin lamda cherba, stingin lamda cher, Jimmy Joba gata, Shinzen meba, tani ne, tega, mawa tega mani, mayawa tega kasen, stingin de lamda cher tabgares, stingin lam song tani, stingin de lamda cher tab song ayana, ani nyamji irmeda se tabgares, nyamji irmed, se tab, nyamjada jitu irmeda se tabgade, tani ramajin de yongores.
And then we talk about these negative circumstances or negative conditions like we did before. And so if we're able to practice in a non-dual manner without any kind of clinging or grasping, then we are able to take all of these negative circumstances onto the path. And if we're able to do that, then that authentically becomes the non-dual or indivisible practice of the meditative equipoise and the state of post-meditation.
다 존들지야 된저거더니 냠지 이름에다 세야가 냠노지가 소나 고거라 봐 냠지 이름에다 세야가 냠노데 싸야가 쳇다 되니까 서거더니 삼삼라가서 러그제라 소네더니 냠나 제거레스 범자 버레스 러그제스나 하고서 러그제라더니 냠노사더니 냠나지나더니 야고요레스.
And then when we talk about practicing these things, putting these things into practice that we're learning, what we need here is we need this not making a distinction between the meditative equipoise, the state of meditative equipoise, and the post-meditative state. And so for that, in order to get that kind of non-dual state, then we should, for example, go to the top of a mountain, go to the peak of a mountain to practice, and then from that we can gain good experience.
아니 더초그니 더초세나 무슨 더초세나 이제 자마 저거만 와도 저반로부터 저거 된저기 니들 아니 그 너도 시험받은 거 매번 제대 더초기 니나 된저 이 컨셉을 완전 맞아야 된다.
And so there are other ways to gain experience. For example, going to a cemetery. If we go to a cemetery, then in a cemetery there's nothing for us to accept or reject there. There's no kind of clinging in that state, so we can get good experience from that as well.
삼삼란 초랑 생각하래. 잠소요사글랑가. 잠소요사글랑 초랑 된들라. 당. 아니 삼삼란 총디 생각하래. 총디 생각 총마만 보냐. 뭐 빼면 뭐여서 된들라게 나와서네 아니 컨셉을 했습니다. 대 이마서 된들게 나와서나 아니 된들지 컨셉을 했다. 냠노트 사고 요소를 했어.
And on top of that, there are other ways that we can gain experience. So, in addition to that, sometimes we can go to the lakeside, for example, to some place with lake or oceanside. We can also go to places where there are lots of people, lots of crowds and so forth, and we can gain experience from places like those. Actually, we need to gain experience in all these different places.
된저그 셈 양으로서 된저기 니라 손에 중득제 나 된저제 버렸어. 이마 똑똑바 너도 인자 지구 인사는 영영 삭다고 말했어. 그래서 된저지네 영지 이름에서야 되라 영영 삭다한테 된저 사고 그랬어.
So normally when we talk about distraction, we talk about the mind getting distracted towards some kind of object. And so this is why it's important for us to go into places actually where our mind gets distracted, because then we can examine our mind and see, okay, is my mind getting distracted now or is it not getting distracted? So we can examine that, and it's really beneficial for our practice. It's really beneficial for us to practice non-distraction in those cases where we tend to really get distracted. If, for example, we were to spend all of our time in a very nice place, in a very a pleasant place, then it would be very difficult for us to get experience, because normally we don't get easily distracted in those places. So therefore it's important to go to these places where we do normally get distracted.
냠냠 싹당 간다랬어요. 더니 컨셉트네. 네. 나서 남진 레기스트레이션은 검증을 받았네. 제말에. 니 컨셉트 리지 조커스. 리그 존탑은 냠냠 싸거스. 존탑이야. 존탑스나 그거 신탑. 샤도. 샤도탑. 존탑이나. 샤도탑에서 검제돼야 말했어. 샤도탑에서 샤도탑이 되냐고 싸거스. 자, 검제에서 검제는 냠냠 싸거라. 제말에. ini chapter thapsa song gom jam se ge yomars chapter thapsa song chapter tham ni nyam nyam sa gores chapter tham ni tini chapter tham ge li chi kan thap se di li ge chapter tham ni ro tin ne tini persona tini chapter tham ge kap de la yo ta gom ge ta wa dom gom ba ge ngoni mayong ba se da ni mayong ba ji ge ngoni chapter thap ta gun da men de ro le ma le ta wa dom gom ba ge ngoni mayong bi ngoni chapter thap gores 하고서 아니 너가 같이 거스는 너가 넘반 도야 말았어. 너가 지다였어. 지다. 리지 트론처럼 너가 들린 장스. 너가 들린 데네. 리그 트론처 너가 들린이나 되니까는 되니 샘그 나도 가려나 맞주바 가려 샤나 지다야 당 트론처야 당 가려 샤바 있는 샘그용 두서 성마 ramjen que tende jiwonde digu ngone te tabum dang set borse seonde ta so kachi rang tabum ngone ses kachi ga rang set ro tabum ngone serwa tende ji ta ta so chang ma de tene ka ta so chang ma ma chang wa so so da man chang wa to so chang wa ge tene ka so so da tene digu tabi ngone ma yang ngone ta so to so chang ma de jorwa na cha tabdi ta so ta nenze ge wa so da pa chi che tu ma to so chang ma lam na cha 그래서 정말 냠냠나 착세 걸어. 근데 그거니까 냠지 이름에 그냥 된지사 된지지다니나 가서 냠냠 싹당데 된지사 보고. 된지 상황에는 되게 지라 그래서 삼치대 리가 조건 장나 걸려내 말와. 근데 생각 남동자 먼저 삼노다 가고 샤리아도 삼동 남도 삼노다 그래서 상황에 되게 그래서 냠냠한테 싹 살비 지라니 냠냠나 샤그랬어. 하고서 정말 냠냠나 샤그랬어. 근데 냠는 뜻은 정말 냠냠때 마서 그거나 뜻은 정말 냠는 샤르 타고 말았어. 하고서 냠는 거 조금 차고 말았어. 뜻은 정말 냠는 거 조금 차야게 제도 한번 될라더니까 쓰나. 냠냠 서르다리 따금도 세네와. 어떤 지들이 까지까지 가더니다. 알아서 줘봐라. 알아줘 같은데 따금도 냠고 세 버렸어. 근데 뜻은 정말 신이 탐지를 갔어. 신이 탐지 람도 통화해. 이 신이 지라 뜻은 나와 전 탑살란저나 지탕살란저나와 그만저나다 어 탐쳤더니 냠nen나 착가래서 냠nen 그 조금같은 착가래 송가래서.
So normally when we talk about how it is that we gain experience in this way, we say that it's important to go to places that are conducive for meditation, such as mountaintops and so forth. So when we talk about meditation, we usually say go to some place that's easy to meditate on. However, there are also other ways to gain experience. And so, for example, normally we would say, okay, if you're going to meditate, then you should go to a place conducive for meditation. If you're going to dance, then you should go to a place that's conducive for dance. And we think of these things as separate. However, in this context, when we're talking about gaining experience with our body, we should actually go to places where people are dancing, and we should dance with them. And we should do this, however, by blending that experience with view and meditation without being distracted. And with our voice, then, we can practice singing. Again, we blend that with the view, we blend that with meditation, and we do that without distraction. And when we talk about the mind itself, the aspect of mind, it's that whatever thoughts that arise to us, without any kind of fabrication there, without making anything up at all, we also blend that with the view and blend that with the meditation, without being bound or restricted by any of those thoughts that arise to us. And then, through that, all of those activities become liberation. And then that's what we're talking about when we're talking about this indivisibility between these two states, the states of meditative equipoise and the state of post-meditation. So if we're able to do these activities with the mind, with the body, such as dancing, with the speech, such as singing, if we're able to do that with blending the view and blending the meditation without any distraction, then this becomes experience, and then all of these activities actually aid our practice. They're very beneficial for our practice. They become self-liberated.
사자 로마뇽사 하고서 르뇽메사 로아탄네 로아뇽뇽 로마뇽사 사자 살아 숨체를 줘버렸어. 뇽타야 자찍 줘버렸어. 뭐나 잘 숨체와 근데 뇽나 잘 찍세 근데 줘버렸어. 근데 성나 소소나 냠뇽 살와 찍던 똑바 살와 찍 그래서 냠뇽 살와 찍 사야라. 당 근데 그 지금 컨셉을다 음악에 두서다 근데 그 땜려서 이제 소소 그때는 로마뇽사 사자 근데 그 뭐나 숨 뇽나 찍 근데 지금 이 프로트 로직이 나 줘버렸어. 근데 저희나 근데 송아이나더니 냠뇽 약혼 대회하던 대라지기 컨셉을 다 그랬더니 다 가서 진상보다 간다지기 했더니 다 소소다 쪽제 지진으로 간던 조미아였나 도서 탐치 냠도 조미아게 되게 때문에 용기였어요. 대학교서 안 돼. 뭐 근데 용기였어. 근데 일단 사자니 서바용 된 로레기 나와 사르레 나와 살지 로마뇽 사자양나 나와 살슴다 가슴 던지지 되는 지오자 고야 던지 송여랬어. 던지나더니 냠뇽 나와 싹터야도 아빠지 던지용 요사랬어.
So a lot of these practitioners in ancient times, they actually talked a lot about this. They said actually that we should think about places that we've never been before. Think about these places that we've never been to. Think about these places which are new to us. And we should actually go to these places. They said perhaps each year we should try to go 3 times, or at the very least go once. And we go there in order to get new experience, in order to get new realization. Because in these places that we've never been to, there can be a lot of conducive circumstances for us, a lot of positive circumstances. And so we can use this to benefit our practice.
샤르당 로당 나당 창와서 쇼 망이 봐서 쇼 망이 봐, 니 망이 봤을 때 쇼yang 망이 봐, 니yang 망이 봐라든지 로고를 송발했을 때 근데 로야 되기 때문에 가려서 마음바다 샹금 처음에 봐 름트비야로 왔더니 샹금 몽보다더니 소소그더니 다 없는 데서 약고 차비다서 샹금 몽보다 름트비야 당 던져겠더니 가서나더니 땜르세 보라 또 던지지다더니 름닝 뭐마다 던져 니 살와당 이면 던져단 근데 뭐람도서 잡다니 근데 닝이면라 닝이면당 총이면들라는 샘쟁도 용어야다라 로도 용어야다 던져 뭐람 잡 샘 자적 샘지라 내 던져제고 비어랬을 던져제 송바이나 당가서 쇼 강사 강이 뭐지니 거체와도 지라 거체에서는 하고서 오pen 쇼 뭐고 쇼직니 창다야 마이가 쇼 뭐지니 거체야도 던져겠답니다 가서 땜르게나 던져서 살았어 근데 이제 다 조카 전부 그냥 뭐 먹으면 같은 데 지금 되고 열었어요. 난 자칭을 못한다. 용어 열었어.
아니 촉망이 봐.
쇼망이 봐. 니 망이 봐.
니스나.
망이 봐서는 가르라 그랬더니. 땡땡 매 봐.
사자. 네마.
니스라소스. 니 망이 봐서는 니 지기랑 대자가 많이 봐. 그래서 니 망이 봐. 가사가는 거야. 어떤 줄 니 사자 가사가는 거. 네? 다르지나더니 니 망이 봐. 아니 뒤소망이 봐. 어떻게 지거든요. 왕이 되니까 던져가더니 샘진이 어떤 멍이바 멍부지가 판토에 왔더니 던져지는 자체의 샘진 가서 쇼 강사 강의 때문에 소속은 틀리다 상금와서 거쳐야 때문에 멍부지가 되게 어렸어. 오늘도 같이 리에서 했어.
So normally we talk about these pure lands or these pure realms, the pure realms of the Buddhas and the Bodhisattvas. And when we talk about these pure realms, there are actually countless pure realms. There are innumerable pure realms. There are, no matter what direction we're talking about, whether we're talking about the north, south, east, or west, in all of those directions there are countless pure realms of the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. So when we're talking about practicing in this manner, we're talking about practicing in terms of unfamiliar places and unfamiliar directions, these places that we haven't gone to. We're basically saying to just go everywhere. And when we're talking about these conducive circumstances that come about, or these auspicious circumstances that come about, that comes about because when we go to these different places, we open all kinds of doors, open all these doors in all these different directions, and through that we're actually accomplishing the pure realms. We're accomplishing the benefit and the wishes of so many beings through our practice and through our prayers and our aspirations. When we're able to do this, when we're able to practice in this way, then that's what becomes the authentic Dzogchen practice.
Dzogchen party, Dzogchen nyamna chida bai jigrang de song dus. Kashi bai jigrang de chashi tang das.
La.
bai jigu la de kashi chashi tang das. Dzogchen nyamna chida bai jigu la de goya ni ba dus.
So some practitioners think that, they're only going to stay in Nepal, for example, just going to stay in Nepal, and then they're going to practice like that. But however, when we're talking about Dzogchen, that's not how we practice. So Khantrama said, but actually there are many different places in Nepal, aren't there, Rinpoche? Yeah, so it's okay if you go to these different places as long as you're exchanging the places.